Hey, it's me again. I was just watching some airsoftfatty, so I thought I would react to his Thanksgiving dinner with Fatty, a home-cooked meal review. So let's see what's going on.
What is up, guys? It is your boy airsoftfatty here, bringing you another banger video. And today we'll be reviewing a very classic kind of American Thanksgiving meal, thanks to my friends out here in the creek. Real quickly though, let's give you guys a little bit of an update. Keep subscribed, keep tuning in, because videos are coming out every Monday and Friday. And if you check out the description, you'll see some links to stuff like Twitch. And our merch will be dropping soon, coming up on December 1st. Also, that's good to mention, we stream every day on Twitch.
He's becoming one of those fucking people. He's becoming one of those fucking people. Hey man, hey pup. Why is he wearing clothes all of a sudden?
So what is up, guys? Happy Thanksgiving!
Fuck you!
So today, we are of course going to be looking at and reviewing a classic American Thanksgiving dish. And hopefully answer some of your guys' questions out there and have ourselves a good meal. So,
a good fucking meal.
Kicked off with a test of the mac and cheese.
You don't need no more mac and cheese.
American meal, be it a Thanksgiving or a PB&J for the kids.
Fuck me.
Not bad.
It's fucking mac and fucking cheese.
That's good. Nice and cheesy.
It's mac and fucking cheese.
Very cheesy.
Motherfucking son of a...
Heck yeah. Let's try the turkey then.
It's fucking turkey.
Tried to quit an addiction cold turkey.
Holy fuck. Don't be making no fucking yummy noises, I swear to God. I'm gonna throw up again.
Type of meat that makes a butcher cry.
Holy shit.
What am I thankful for?
Who cares?
I'm thankful for my career.
Oh, fuck me, career. Suddenly he wears a shirt and he's got a career.
The people I get to talk to, just
fuck
even my
me.
day-to-day interactions, it's something to be grateful for.
What?
Even on your worst days.
He's grateful he's out of that fucking goddamn farm that was falling his shit.
And then it evolves into a yeah.
Oh my God.
Like, heck yeah, dude. Man. I remember one time, on the way out of the hospital after my learning some treatment.
What in the fuck has happened to him?
I was like, yeah. We were chatting.
I used to enjoy this man.
And we ended up going. And I remember Bob looked at me as we're walking.
He's wearing clothes. He's talking like some kind of a, hey, how you doing? I'm here. Hey, Bob, I'm taking you back. Hey, here we go.
Went off like an arrow, Bob.
What is going on?
I'm thankful for you guys, you know?
Holy
it's kind of
shit.
crazy. Some of you guys send out things to the fan mail box, things like letters and things like that. I'm really grateful at times to be able to just pull those out and just read them. And to see that I've affected you guys in such a positive way, it brings a smile on my face. I'm also grateful for the ones that you guys come out that attend the streams. Hear me ramble on for a little bit, just wherever I am.
Ramble on and on and on and on.
Daily, that let me know that, hey, they enjoy the videos and they're enjoying the day. Because at the end of the day,
I did enjoy the videos. I don't know what's going on. I'm confused. I'm confused as shit.
I am grateful
and that
for the
rarely
fact
happens.
that even in my most darkest moments, just thinking of you guys, thinking of everyone who watches, just, it makes even my worst moments seem like a pea being thrown at my head from a bully.
A what thrown at his head? I'll throw something at your head.
For Pete's sake.
That's fine.
Like if he had to pee to piss me off, there's something right there.
I'm pissed off.
Yeah. Just, it really does. And it helps a lot, because I go through some pretty dark moments in life, and
just you
guys really helps. Let's do it then. Ready? Let's go.
Oh God, he's eating pie. He's eating pie.
Try. It's really good.
He's mixing pie with macaroni and cheese.
Amazing. It's not too bad.
It's fucking macaroni and fucking cheese, you fat fuck. Fuck me.
It's really freaking good.
It's macaroni and holy shit, I'm gonna... A hand just comes out of nowhere and gives him a mug of vodka.
This is really good though.
It's a service. Son of a bitch. He's still shoveling. You want a shovel?
It's good.
It's still going in.
Let's talk about the fact that there are people out there.
There's people
who
out
seem
there.
to think, and I just how much you have thought. Oh, man.
Hey, look. Would you like a shovel with that?
It's about time your boy ate some dessert.
He's oohing. Oh, there he goes with the pie.
Shall we?
You don't need no pie.
There we go.
You don't need no more pie. No one told him it was pumpkin
I'm
pie.
sorry. I'm not a huge
Pumpkin
pie fan.
pie's an acquired taste.
Oh, I tried, dude. I'm sorry. Oh.
He tried.
Oh, man. Oh.
At least he's sorry, because I'm going to throw up all over the floor. I'm going to throw up all over myself, and then I'm going to throw up all over him.
How the fuck we eat pie? But the rest?
How does he not get demonetized saying fuck every 5 fucking seconds?
Remember, check out the description for all those beautiful links. Merch drops December 1st, and until then, peace out!
I don't understand. I don't understand nothing, I guess. Enjoy you. I frankly don't understand the wearing clothes thing. I saw you were gonna move. I don't like this new car salesman fucking shit. Hi, how you doing? I'm hitting you here with the fucking... No. The old fatty. Old fatty. Like I said, I am confused. That's alright, I'm gonna get me help for that. Well, that's about it. Pissy hippie out of here. I'll catch y'all later. I'm gonna go make sure the folks don't burn the place to the fucking ground. Night.
I'm really excited to show you guys. So this morning, jeez.
If God exists, I wish he'd make his presence known.
I love you, 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 I love you.
Necessary journeys. Don't take risks on treacherous roads, and don't swim in the sea. Here in Black Rock dog and Saltail both today and yesterday.
Yeah, it does say. Jane. So nervous up here, unbelievable.
Fighting the alien menace can be tough work.
And so's keeping your hair clean, shiny, and dandruff-free.
So it's a good thing that we always keep a healthy supply of it.
Since when has this show ever made any sense?
Oh, okay.